Is note-taking a skill that can be learned and improved? Have you ever wondered if note-taking is something you can actually get better at? Well, the answer is yes. Note-taking is not just about writing down what you hear. It is an active process that involves listening, selecting important information, organizing it, and making sense of ideas for better recall. To start, preparation plays a key role in effective note-taking. Before a class or lecture, take a moment to preview the material. This helps you know what to expect and makes it easier to identify important points during the session. While listening, focus on understanding rather than just writing everything down. This means you need to pick out the main ideas and separate them from supporting details and less important content. There are several note-taking methods you can learn, such as the Cornell method, mind mapping, outlining, or charting. Each of these techniques helps you organize your thoughts in different ways. Finding a method that suits your learning style and the subject matter can significantly improve how effective your notes are. Another way to improve your note-taking skills is by reviewing and revising your notes after class. This practice reinforces what you have learned and helps clarify any gaps in your understanding. Comparing notes with classmates can also provide fresh perspectives and fill in any missing details. Interestingly, research shows that handwriting notes can boost retention. When you write by hand, you engage more with the material, which helps you process and understand it better. This method keeps you mentally alert and engaged, making it easier to concentrate and reducing distractions. In essence, note-taking is a skill that can be learned and improved with practice, preparation, and reflection. It helps you remember information better, organize it logically, and prepare more effectively for exams or assignments. By actively listening and applying effective strategies, anyone can enhance their note-taking abilities and make study sessions more productive. So, if you want to improve your note-taking skills, start practicing today.